Hi everyone! Today's painting is this adorable little black kitten, and I have to admit, black cats always make me a little nervous. Just because no matter how many times you practice it, it still might come out not as you wanted it to be, especially with watercolor because it's totally unpredictable. But anyway, painting black fur is surprisingly difficult. When people think of a black cat, they imagine using black paint, and that's it. But in watercolor, black is almost never just black. There are hints of blue, purple, brown, and even tiny touches of warm gray hiding in the fur. I'm actually mixing here a ultramarine blue with some the other one, burnt umber. So that's why you see the gray, but it's actually not gray. It's more of reds and browns and blues all together. Anyway, this portrait took me about an hour and 20 minutes to paint, although you're seeing a much shorter version today. I've sped everything up and cut out the drying time so you can enjoy the whole process without watching me wait for the paper to cooperate. That's honestly my favorite part of painting pet portraits. Adding eyes, and then suddenly the kitten is looking back at me. Yeah, that's my favorite part of painting cats, just the eyes. Well, the eyes and the nose, I would say. But in this case, it was the eyes. Because as soon as I added in a little bit of yellow, that color starts popping and everything just seems more or less done. I try not to paint every single hair. Instead, I focus on suggesting the fur and letting the watercolor do what it does best. Sometimes less really is more. The kitten has also the sweetest expression. It looks curious, a little shy, and completely adorable. I wanted to keep that soft feeling instead of making the painting too detailed. I specialize in custom pet portraits because I love creating keepsakes that people can treasure for years. Every pet has its own personality, and trying to capture that is one of my favorite parts of being an artist. If you'd like a portrait of your own pet, I'd love to paint one for you. Watercolor commissions start at €55 for an A4 portrait. Gouache also starts at 55, and acrylic portrait starts at 75 with larger sizes available. I have larger sizes available for everything. You'll find my email and my Etsy shop in the description below. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes painting with me, and I'll see you in the next portrait.